Good morning! Hi, Tom. Guys, sit down. Hi, Mr. Roger. Siguro no need to use my mic, no? Wala sa boses ko. Ha? Wala sa mga boses ko, di ba? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Guys, number one, I'm Joselito P. Manlongan. And my father is from Dagupan. From Pangasinan, but I grew up in Manila. So, but anyway, I'm happy to meet all of you, and I've been hearing good things about you guys. Again, guys, thank you for coming, and I heard may mga galing pa sa malalayo. And I want to congratulate you for coming here. Itong pinapasok mo ay negosyo. Okay? Is everybody a member already? Good. I came here to share some knowledge. So guys, this is very important. Ang pera ay parte ng buhay ng tao. It is part of life. I've developed a lot of millionaires already. Meron din akong taong hindi na-develop. Meron din. Alam mo kung ano yung mga ngayon? Mga apurado. They want the easy, quick money. That's what they want. Guys, first of all, lahat kayo dito, si Miss Ginger, si Roger, si Mr. Enrique, si Mr. Sunny, they've been to my house so many times. And please, if you are in Manila, we can set up a dinner or lunch in my house because I want to have a deeper relationship with all of you. I want you to know me more and I want to know you more. Sa MCI, hindi po kami dito pera-pera. We want everybody to earn. Lalong gumanda ang buhay ng bawat isa. But again, guys, this business is so easy. Guys, you are all intelligent. Most of you are principals. Some? Guys, napakadali itong negosyo to. I will give some advices, very basic. And please, I know you're all well in life, but we can make it better. Just follow. In everything we do, there is a process. May proseso lahat ng bagay. Even in school, there is a process. You start from kinder prep, tuloy-tuloy. It's like going up the ladder. You cannot jump 3 steps to go up. Tama? Again, guys, simple. One, you have to understand and you have to know the benefits of our products. Ano ang nagagawang kabutihan sa katawan. You have to know that. And you have to know paano kumita. Which is our marketing plan.
Yes.
2-3 days, give yourself another 4 days, you will understand it eh. Importante yun guys, don't forget itong steps na sabihin ko. That is number 1. Okay? Kailangan alam mo yan. Number 2, nadala niyo ba yung mga check-in na po ka na? Then, number 2, kahit ang check-in mo sa umpisa ay maliit, huwag mong titingnan yung amount.
Yes.
Don't look at it first. Okay? Number 3, just keep going. Tuloy-tuloy ka na. Kahit yung check mo sa umpisa, maliit. Okay? And then number 4, with your consistency, dun mo na makikita yung hard work mo. Nakwento niyo ba the beauty of our business compared to traditional?
Yes.
You already... Guys, maybe this place, maybe they invested, I don't know, maybe 2 million. Meron to, may renta, may kuryente, operations, meron to. And, pagpalagay mo na 1 million ang nilabas, tingin mo ba kaya nilang bawiin yung 1 million isang taon? Hindi. 2 taon, pwede. But averagely, 2 to 3 years, din yun eh. But, ito ang problema guys, can you hear me maliwanag?
Yes.
Huwag yan magalit sa akin ha. But there are chances also na yung kapital hindi na rin bumalik.
Yes.
Tama mali?
Yes.
Possible yun. Itong traditional is very risky. Dahil sa ating walang risk, all you need to do is stay focused. The problem, if I may say, ang negosyo natin, wala ka nakikita eh. Pero dito, kahit may 1 million, naglabas ka ng 2 million, may ilaw ka, may electric fan ka, may kitchen ka, nakikita mo, you take care of it. Tama? Nakikita mo, uy, pare, meron kong negosyo, diba? But we do not know if it's making money or not. Sa atin, I repeat, wala ka nakikita. Nothing. Nakikita mo sa isip mo. Kung saan ka pupunta. It's so easy. Ay yung dalawang ma'am. After, of course, everybody needs to earn money. The following two comes in. They also need to make money. They become 4. Another 2 become 6, 8, and so on and so forth. You're making money. They're making money, everybody's making money. The beauty of this business is you earn money while you are sleeping. That's the beauty of it. There is nothing wrong with employment. Nothing wrong with that. Okay? But employment, you get paid by the hour. No work, no pay. Tama ba? In this business, you get paid by your action. Meaning to say, kunwari lang, ako principal, si Tom ay principal din, ako masipag, siya tamad. Ang problema, pag sweldo namin, parehas kami. Same. But again guys, you have to be strong. That's all I can give advices to you. In the beginning, that is the hardest part. Is the beginning. But once na nakuha mo yung umpisa, then you can fly. Then you will start making money and make things life better and easier for you. Guys, who wants to be more successful?
Yes.
Parang yung iba, ayaw ah. Ayaw ninyo? Guys, simple lang. Kailangan mong gawin ang bagay na ayaw mong gawin.
Yes.
It's that simple. Guys, it's Saturday today. Ang dami nating branches, ang dami natin din akong ginagawa. But I am here with you because I want to meet you guys in person and I want to give advices, tips on how to make money. But again, guys, number 1, gusto mong kumita. Yun ang importante. It will be so difficult, but mahirap iangat ang isang taong ayaw umangat.
Yes.
Napakahirap gawin ng isang taong nagpipilitang masipag pero totoo tamad. Guys, we have wonderful products. Hindi ko na mabilang sa kamay ko, pati sa paa ko, sa buhok ko, kung gaano karami ang natulungan ng ating produkto. So meaning to say, you must be proud with the products. Secondly, stable company. Aminin ko sa inyo, may nagsasabi, naku, multi-level marketing, wala ko yung tayan. Not true. May paring masama, may paring mabuti. May pulis na masama, may pulis na mabuti. Tayo yung mabuti. Again, I've been doing this business for so long. I've been with Mr. Salvosa, Ms. Lister, 4 years or so. Ang kailangan lang is you have to believe in yourself that you can do it. Guys, I'm here. Nandito sila Mr. Ton Palma. I remember, pinuntahan kita sa Kapas Tarlac din noon. Remember? Darating ang time, imbitahin niyo ako kahit saan niyo ako gustong dalhin, pupuntahan ko kayo. Then an event, somewhere, anywhere yung sinulaon nyo, Baguio, kahit saan niyo gusto. Darating at darating ka sa pupuntahan mong success. And guys, if you decide today that you want to be rich or richer, then stay focused.
Yes.
Huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob. Ang problema, guys, ito ang problema sa negosyo natin. Napakaliit na kapital. So, konting challenges, ayaw na. Tama? Kinausap ko si Ton Palma, ayaw. Kinausap ko kunwari si Ma'am, ayaw.
ikaw ayaw mo rin. Ako talaga basta ako. Ayaw ko na rin. You get my point, guys? It doesn't work that way. Ang problema, may mga tao, marami. Kung may pera, good. Kung wala rin pera, good. It can't be. I will repeat, guys. Money is part of life. Kung paano tayo huminga para mabuhay, ganun din ang pera. Subukan mong tumigil huminga. Patay ka. Patay ka. Subukan mo rin maubusan ng pera. Patay ka rin. That's what I'm saying. It is part of life. Again, guys, I came all the way from Manila just to meet all of you. And ganun kaseryoso ako. Sila Sunny, sila Tol, sila Miss Ginger, sila Roger. Guys, ganun kami kaseryoso to help all of you. Ganun kami kaseryoso. Kung hindi, ito pupunta rito eh. But I came to meet all of you. But again, guys, today is a new day. It's a new beginning. Guys, lahat tayo may mga mahal sa buhay. Alam ko ang buhay ng pamilya ko. My father, who's from Pangasinan, Dagupan, passed away maybe 6 years ago. My mother now is 85 years old. Very strong. Thank you, God. Alam ko buhay ng mga kapatid ko. Alam ko buhay ng anak ko. Alam ko. Kayo, alam mo rin ang buhay ng pamilya mo. Tama?
Yes.
Pati pinsan mo nga, alam mo. Now, my question is this. Kung sakali meron pang paghihirap, kulang pa sa pera, wala pang savings, then you cut it. Putulin mo. Kasi pag hindi mo ipuputulin yun, ipapasa mo rin sa iba. Sa kamag-anak mo. A short story, some of you are from a principal school. I studied in LaSalle Green Hills, batch 1991. Short story lang to short story. While growing up, mahilig ako sa manggang dilaw. Okay? Yung nasa jar, may mangga, hinahating sa apat. May bagoong. Ako, may bagoong na meron pang asin. Araw-araw ng dismissal ko, binibili ko yan. Anyway, grade school, high school, yung binibilan kong mangga sa gate 9 ng Lasal, meron dalawang bata, isang lalaki, isang babae. So anyway, after how many years, lumipat na ako. Pwesta ako ng Lasal. After how many years again, pumunta ngayon ako ng Green Hills Shopping Center. Malapit, ito yung Green Hills Shopping Center, ito ang Lasal. Anyway, may tumatawag sa akin, "Uy! Manlongat!" Sino ko? Ba't gano'n ko, naalala ko, pero hindi masyado. Ikaw sabi sa akin, hindi mo na ako naaalala. Ako yung binibilan mo ng magkasalasal. Oh, kamusta ka na? Sabi ko, kamusta na yung dalawang bata? Siguro malalaki na. Sir, okay sila. Yung isa nasa Ateneo, yung isa nasa UP. Sabi ko, Chad, galing mo? Anong course? Nagbebenta rin ko ng mangga. Because the father or the mother did not do any change. Napasa. At ma'am, huwag kayo magagalit sa akin ha. Ulit, I raise your hands in principal. Here. Napakarami. Ma'am, huwag kayo magagalit sa akin ha. Ha? Huwag kayo magagalit sa akin. Minsan kasalanan nyo rin eh. Oo, kasalanan ng magulang natin. Kasalanan ng teacher. Bakit? Iho, iha, pagka-graduate mo, maghanap ka ng trabaho. Yan ang tinuturo eh. Kaya karamihan ng Pilipino nasa employment. Kunwari, ako, tiga GSIL, tiga Meralco na lang ako. Ang pangarap ko, yung mga anak ko, maipasok ko rin sa Meralco. But in reality, may yumaman ba nun? Kayang bayaran yung, di ba? Meron, pero hindi yung anytime you want to travel, you can travel. Anything you want to buy, you can buy. You know, things like that. Again, hindi ako mukhang pera. Kaya nga sinasabi ko kay Mr. Salvosa, Sinong loko-loko ang nag-invento ng salita that money cannot buy happiness? I do not believe that. Because kahit hindi ako mag-aso sa tao, may pera ako, ibibigay ko sa magulang ko, di happy ako. Ibibigay ko sa mga anak ko yung pera ko, di happy pa rin ako. Kesa gusto kong tulungan yung pamilya ko, mabait akong tao, wala akong maibigay na pera, ang masakit, masama ako. Yun ang problema eh. Tama? Kahit gusto mong tumulong, wala kang pantulong, sabihin sila magulang ko, bihira ka. Ang sakit mong pakiramdam. Di ba? But again, bottom line guys, listen to me. Guys, I'm not blaming you. Hindi ko kayo. I'm just saying my personal opinion. Di ba? Again, there is nothing wrong with employment. But we can make more money. And if I remember, I will not mention her name. I hope she's not here. She is from Pangasinan. I met this lady in our Bulacan branch. Sabi ko, what do you do? Sabi ko sa babae, Sir, I'm a financial advisor. Sabi ko, galing siguro nito. Kilala mo, Miss Ginger. Kilala mo. Sabi ko, ma'am, if I may ask you, anong advice ang nabibigay mo? Sir, kasi sa Pangasinan, maraming teacher na may mga utang. Totoo, Miss Ginger, bibiro. Mag-asawa silang dalawa, dumating doon. Ewan ko, nanonood sila sa video ko. So, but anyway, it's okay. I'm being honest. I'm being honest. Sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, ano pa paano ka nag-a-advise? Ulitin ko. Sir, kasi ang daming teacher po sa Pangasinan. Nagtatrabaho, may utang. Parating may utang. So, what advice can you give? Sabi ko, ang tinuturo daw niya, kung ang sweldo ay 12,000, ay mamuhay na pang 12,000. Sabi ko, ma'am, kung magagalit sa akin, ilang taon mo na ginagawang nag-a-advise ka ng ganyan? Sir, I've been doing project. Sir, I've been doing it for 7 years. Sabi ko, ilan? 7? Ma'am, kung magagalit sa akin, mali ang tinuturo mo. So, ibig sabihin ko, ang sweldo ko, 8,000. Ang buhay ko, pang 8,000. No! Huwag ka magtipid. Gumawa ka ng additional income. The husband stood up and left. The following minute, the woman left. After a couple of minutes, they both came back and realized we want to do MCI. And now, they're making money. Ganon lang. Kesa ang taong matutong, kesa tipid. Maghanap ka ng pera. Money is not everything. Do you agree? But without money, it will affect everything.
Yes.
Apektado, magkakapatid, magulang, kahit sino, basta pera. Sabi ko, minsan lang tayo mabuhay guys. Dapat yung buhay na yan masarap. And again, it's not too late. The beauty of this business, even if you are 20s, 30s, 40 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old, 70 years old, we have so many members, 70s, making money. What's the name of her thing? Her name is the girl na pakira sa office? Sige,
Miss Angelique.
Chumi-check yung tao, linggo-linggo. Big amount. Now, yung iba kasi, porque hindi ako nakagraduate sa magandang eskwelahan, they feeling nila kasi, tatalino nyo talaga. Tatalino. But again, guys, this business is so beautiful. Kailangan mo lang talagang pagtyagaan sa umpisa. Guys, I started this company from scratch. Akala ko, sa umpisa, madali. Marami akong kaklase, marami akong kaibigan, marami rin akong kaibigang artista. Sabi ko, it will be easy. You want to hear a good news? Gusto niyo makarinig ng magandang balita?
Yes.
Kahit isa sa mga yun, walang sumali. Sabi ko, baka hayop kayo. Akala ko, mga kaibigan ko kayo. Nobody joined. Nobody. They supported me in the beginning. Sige na nga, para matigil ka na lang, Dojo. Eto na. But that was it. Sabi ko, you know, kung nasaan ako ngayon, is because of them. Naniwala ako sa sarili ko. Tamang tao. We do not need the best people. We need the right people like us.
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
you are here for one reason. I know. Hindi naman para siguro makita niyo yung mukha ko lang. O libre pagkain, hindi naman siguro. You are here to make money.
Yes.
You are here to improve life of yourself and your family. Then, don't let go of it. Yung iba kasi nung sa umpisa ginawa, rejection, tigil. Why? Dahil maliit yung kapital. Pero pag ito negosyo mo, kahit kumakain dito, puno ng COVID, darating at darating ka rito, baka ikaw pa nag-test. Ma'am, pangilang upo kayo? Ilang box po, ma'am? Ilang kayo? Because the money nakalabas sa'yo, malaki. Dito sa atin, maliit. So, guys, you are all intelligent. Small capital, big income. Than big capital, small income. Ang galing mo. You are very intelligent. Ma'am, alam mo the truth?
Motivated lang.
Dapat, you should be motivated every single day of your life.
Yes.
Guys, may I ask you something? Ma'am, both of you, do you daydream? Definitely. Ma'am, do you dream? Do you dream? You better future, savings for the family, securing everybody. Tama?
Yes.
You do that, correct? Hindi kayo yun. That is not you. It is God telling you, reminding you, you go get it because you can do it.
Yes.
Because not everybody dreams. Hindi lahat. We are blessed. Ito, alam mo, I don't use God. But inikwento ko lang sa inyo. You know, I go to Padre Pio Church in Libis every Sunday if I can. Alam mo kung anong prayers ko lang? God, give me more strength, give me more knowledge, and full my pocket. So I keep on helping. I can help more. It's true. Yan ang katotohanan. But again, guys, we have the best product. This business is already ready-made for you. You already have products na maganda, stable company. What else do you need? Ma'am, alam niyo kung ano ang meron ng MCI na wala sa iba? Well, alam mo? Ma'am, ikaw, alam mo ba kung anong meron ng MCI na wala sa iba? Pag nahulaan mo, meron ka 10,000 sa akin. Alam mo kung anong meron ng MCI na wala sa iba? Presidente, gwapo ka tulad ko. Guys, a president, you can call me anytime you want to. In the morning, you call me. In the afternoon, you call me. At night, you call me. During presentation, kahit sino kausap mo, you call me. Speakerphone mo, kasalita ako. Ganon ako kadedikado sa ginagawa ko. I love what I'm doing. I love our company. And I love all of you. And I want everybody to be more successful in life. Importante kasi yung ibang tao, feeling nila nothing will change anymore. Boss, ito na po kasi kinalakihan ko. Boss, ito na po buhay ko. Boss, ito na po kami. Boss, okay na po kami sa simpleng buhay. Ano? Hindi pa yan. Pwede mong palitan. Kung gusto mong simpleng buhay, susunod ka sakit, simpleng gamot, kailangan mo. Simpleng doktor? O gusto mo simpleng lamay? O gusto mo simpleng ibig? Hindi ba pwede? But again guys, hindi yun. You can make life better. Every day, challenge yourself. Why do we work? Why do we work so hard? Para sa atin, para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Tama?
Yes.
When you do decide, when you do really work hard, think of your loved ones. They will push you. They will challenge you. It will bring out your best. Ganun lang. Ang daming tao. I-blunder. Iba ang kaibigan mo, ma'am, sa kaibigan mo, Ken. Iba rin ang kaibigan mo, Miss Jen, sa kamag-anak mo. Pag kamag-anak mo, tigilan mo na yun. Kasi ang mga kamag-anak, yan ang unang pipigil sa'yo. Bakit? Ayaw nilang umasenso ka.
Birthday po niya, birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. Father, daughter. Nice. I'm happy to hear that. Very supportive father and a daughter. Guys, ganun lang kasimple ang sinasabi ko. It's all about commitment. Mr. Salgosa over there, hindi ko na may isa-isa. When I met him 4 years ago, was it 4? 4.5 years ago, I met him. His first check was 1,000 only. The second week, no check. The third week, maybe 3,000. Ganun lang. May isang linggong wala siya. May linggong meron. May linggong malaki. I'll be honest. 6 months doing the business, I think he was driving somewhere. Basta nasa expressway siya, hindi ko alam kung first. Tumaga. Nandun ako sa balcony ng bahay. Tumawag. Pres, good morning. Good morning, Johnny. Pres, parang nahihirapan ako. After 6 months, sabi ko, no, yun talaga. Keep going. Tuloy-tuloy ka. Now, yung 1,000 became 10,000 a week. Yung 2,000 became 20,000 a week. Became 50,000 a week. Became 80,000 a week. Pag pinuwento mo sa ibang tao, sabihin, sira ulo tayo. Ha? Kumikita ka ng 100, 80, 1 linggo? Oo. Because they are just being negative. Gusto rin nilang kumita ng ganon. Ayaw na lang nilang pag-umpisa. Lahat ng top earners, kaya nilang nagpasan. Nauna lang sila.
Yes.
Ito po yung point ko, Roger.
Yes.
Nauna lang sila. But again, if I may say, guys, you are in the right company. Ang hinahanap ng tao ay patinong kumpanya. Ako naman, ang hinahanap ko, patinong tao.
Yes.
Totoo. Alam mo yun, harap-harapan. Sinasabi ko, pag hindi okay ang tao, huwag nyo lang dalhin sa opisina. Huwag na. Hindi ko kailangan ng pay-in para lang sumakit ang ulo natin. Huwag na. I'm like that. Because gusto ko yung quality ng tao. I like to work with people who has big dreams. Ma, what's your first name? Chen? Cheryl. Hey Cheryl, I just want to show you. This is my messenger, okay? Tingnan mo kung gaano marami ha. Tama, natatarap pa. Okay. Sablayan, Tama Rawili. Team Jaguar. Jaguar Pangasinan, Batangas, Pangasinan. Jaguar Occidental, Pangasinan. Golden Poppers, Golden Eagle Achievers, Tarlac Empire, Team Josa, Leyte, Mindoro, FCI Blessed, Eagles Group, Bansud. Nakikita mo naman, di ba? Okay, Eagles Group, Pinamalayan, Golden Pickup, Palawan, Cavite, Platinum, Electista, Falcon, To God Be the Glory, FCI, Mindoro, Occidental, Golden Eagles, Pangasinan, Baguio. Ano yun? Nakikita nyo guys, nagko-comment ako. Wala kayo. Wala pa ako siguro. Parang malaman nyo. Ayan, ano. Guys, you know why I do this? isama niyo na ako kung ready na kayo isama ako. Kung gusto niyo ako isama niyo ako. Guys, the reason why I do this, every team, gusto ko kasama ako sa messenger. Why? So I can monitor all of you. Kung may pinadala kang pay-in, kunwari, kay Ton Palma, example, ang pay-in mo, 10, dumating sa office, 8, nasan yung 2? Pag nalaman ko, kinuha niya yung 2, Ton Palma will be terminated automatically. Guys, that's who I am. May nangyaring ganito. Sabi na, sir, bakit po terminate si ganitong pangalan? Sabi na, sir, ang daming pinasok noon, ang laki na ng cheque niya. Wala akong pakialam kahit 1 billion ang ipasok mo. Pero mali is mali. I will not tolerate wrongdoings. Guys, pinagpagura ko itong kumpanya natin. Dugo at pawis ang ginawa ko dito, and I will not allow anybody to destroy our company. Ang goal natin is to give better lives to everyone, not make lives miserable. Number 1, why may say isa, Mindoro, Malayo, kilala nyo, ganun din. Pero borrowing money instead of teaching business opportunity, borrowing money. But again guys, I want to remind you, tayo, huwag ninyong sayangin na nag-MCI kayo. What? I'm here again, I'm not here for pay-ins. You're already MCI family. Tama? Ang importante guys, make money out of it. Make money out of it guys. It's for you. It's for everybody. It's for your loved ones. So, ang pinakamagandang gawin, just stay focused. Magugulat ka na lang. Basta yung sinasabi mo, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, you follow that. In anything you do, I will repeat, there is a process. Kahit mag-asawa, may proseso. Give and take tayo, kahit kusit ka sa asawa mo, may gano'n talaga. Pagtsagaan mo, turuan mo. Tanggapin mo kung mali ka, may proseso. Even money, guys, even money. Cash in, cash out. Cash in, cash out. That's what you call cash flow. Ang tao, pag palabas ang pera mo, tapos ka. There is another lady during ito ng pandemic, Miss Cheryl. Sabi niya, sir, I want to join, I want to earn, but I only have 40,000 pesos savings na lang. Sabi niya, kesa daw, ipaminegosyo niya, gagamitin nilang daw niya sa pamilya niya. Sabi ko, good, if that's your decision, who am I? Go! But, sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, don't forget, next week, you will withdraw 5,000. The following 2 weeks, maybe another 5,000. 30 na lang. The following month, you will withdraw another 10,000. 20 na lang. Sabi ko, think about that. Sir, okay. Yeah. Maybe after a few weeks, maybe few days, came back. MCI. Nagkita kami sa office ulit. For how many, siguro a month, 2-3 months. Sabi ko, kamusta ka? Sabi na sa akin, sir, maraming salamat. Dahil yung 40,000 ko, less 12,880, ngayon 120,000 na. Wow. Kasi uubusin ko eh. Lalo na nung pandemic, ang dami ko kilala. Milyonaryo bago pandemic. Walang pera ngayon, ubos. I'm not kidding. But again, guys, this business is for everybody. Like I will repeat, for everybody. And I do not know anybody na aayaw sa pera. Meron, walang pera. Or, walang tiwala sa sarili niya. I cannot do this, mahirap yan, wala akong kaibigan, all excuses. No! No! If you want a better life, you start today. And never quit. Those are the secret, guys. Never quit kahit nahihirapan ka. Kahit napapagod ka. Pero kung ikakaganda ng buhay ng pamilya, why not? Sabi, I've been telling you this so many times. Kung ako, mahirap kami, bigyan mo ako ng isang bote. Ito, Papasagin ko to, kakainin ko to. Just for my family to have a better life. That's how driven I am. And everybody should be the same. No matter what it takes. You know, a short story, no, na-mention ko kasi my father passed away. Small reason, nag-away sila ng kapatid niya. My father is the second among the siblings and the youngest brother. Makulit. Uminit ang ulo. My father, driving, called me. This was a long time ago, maybe 8 years. No more. Maybe mga 10, 12 years ago. Called me. Sabi niya, John, asan ka? Pupunta ako sa bahay. Pupunta ako sa bahay mo. Sabi niya, kwentuhan lang to, guys. Pupunta ako sa bahay mo. Nahihilo. I remember. Bumaga ako, pinabuksan ko yung gate, pumasok yung father ko. Umupo, supa ko. Ganyan siya. Medyo nagpipig siya eh. Ano nangyari dito? Sabi niya, kasi si Uncle Manny mo, etc. Bandang nakita ko, nagsister na, gano'n na. Sabi ko, Dad, ano? Sabi ko, labas yung kotse, tatakbo sa ospital. Sinakay kayo sa stretcher. Nakagay niya ng paa. Dalawang ganyan paa. Yung doktor lumapit sa akin, kumuha ng susi. Yung isang paa, inipit niya. Iniin niya. Yung father ko wala naman naman. Yung kabila, nung pagkaroon pa lang, yung paa niya, ginanon niya agad. Ito, masakit. So sabi niya, Joe, yung father ko inatake. Problema. But anyway, all good. Importante, buhay. So I took care of my father. Marami kami magkakapatid. And the sad truth of what this is the reality of life. Kasi nasabi ko, make lots of money and enjoy. So, Miss Cheryl, if I may ask you, nung bata ka, nakalamping ka o nakadiapers? Lamping, good. Lamping din ako. Naka-beef ka ba, Miss Cheryl, nung bata ka? Meron. May nagsusubo sa'yo ng pagkain mo? Very good. Miss Cheryl, meron akong masayang sasabihin tayo. Magsusuot ka ulit ng beef. Tandaan mo yan. Maglalampin ka ulit. Ngayon, pampers na. Guys, that's the sad truth of reality. Everybody will age. We will go back sa pagka-baby. Proseso yan eh. It's a process. I saw that sa father ko. Nakabig, tutululaway, lahat. Same, hindi makalakad, tama, higa, upo. That is the reality of life, guys. Yan ang katotohanan. So meaning, while we are blessed that we are all okay in life, this is the time we make lots of money because when we age, dumating na tayo sa puntong gano'n na darating tayong lahat, that money na malakas ka pa, yan din ang perang gagamitin.
Yes.
Tandaan mo. And I know so many families, alam mo, kung pwede ko silang sakalin at pag-uuntugin ko yung mga taong yun, I know some people Sunny, okay naman yung mga anak nasa Amerika yung iba. When the mother got sick, you know where they brought the mother? Home for the aged. Sabi ko, oh my God, why will you do that? Sabi na, busy kami. Anong busy? Gusto kong murahin eh. Anong busy? Pinag-aral ka ng taon yan. Pinakain ka niyan. Ngayon na siya yung tumanda. Dadaling mo doon. Pamilya, oy, kuya, pwede ba? Si mami, 3 buwan na nasa akin. Pwede ba sa'yo naman? Hindi pwede yun. No. Kaya sasabi ko, guys, make lots of money and you keep that money. To my children, paala rin kayo. Kayo magtrabaho. Short story. I have a friend, no? He is turning 80 years old. A fantastic man. Maybe 5 years ago, 4 years ago or so, he's been calling his children and grandchildren, pati mga son-in-law, every Sunday ng tanghali. Okay? Sometimes he invites me. He treats me like his own son. So sometimes I go, ang anak niya 5. Isa lang ang dumarating o 2 yung dumarating, minsan walang dumarating. Sabi ko, Tito Alex, where are they? Eh sabi niya, John, yung isa raw niya, yung sarili ko, may golf daw, may ganito daw, may ganyan-ganyan. Kung anong dahilan. So to make my long story short, Tito Alex of mine, sabi niya, parang gusto ko nang benta yung lupa namin sa Nueva Ecija. Sabi ko, kung wala ka nang gagawin, sabi ko, matanda ka na rin, Tito Alex, use the money. Not knowing, yung lupa niya sa was 650 million binili. Eto na ngayon, nagkabayaran na. Ha? For the first time na nag-a-attend ako ng lunch niya, Tito Alex, wala pang alas 12, lahat ng apo nandoon, lahat ng son-in-law nandoon. Sabi ko, ano nangyari? Bakit nandito yung mga yan? Dahil sa pera. Sabi ko, Tito Alex, huwag mong bigyan. Huwag mong bigyan, hayaan mo sila. So hindi ka binibigyan. Ito nakakatawa. Tuwing alas 12, linggo-linggo nandoon. Ang sinasabi ko, money is not everything. But without money, it will affect everything. Apektado. But again guys, I want you to be strong. Kailangan maging malakas ka sa negosyo natin. Nandito rin ako. I am part of you. I am part of your team. Kasosyo kita. Kasosyo kita. I will repeat guys. Tawagan ninyo ako. I will all guide you. And please, if you are in Manila, please call me. I want to invite you to my house because I will repeat. I want to get to know better, and so I can give you more advices. Anyway, guys, I'm Joselito P. Manlongan. I'm the President CEO of MCI Elite. Ako yung tao na naniwala sa sarili ko. Ako yung tao nagpagod. Ako yung tao nagsakripisyo. Ginawa ko lahat. Kung nasaan ako ngayon lahat, kung sa buhay ko, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. And again, guys, naniwala ako sa sarili kong kakayanan. To God be the glory.